Number 22. What is the solution of the equation square root 2x plus 20 minus 6 equal x? When you write this down, be very careful that your negative 6 is outside of that radical. So sometimes if you put this little mark there, it'll help you to make sure that's where it stops. First step is to isolate the radical, so I'm going to add 6 to both sides. Now I'm ready to square both sides. So you'll say 2x plus 20 equals, when I square a binomial, that means I'm multiplying it by itself. So I need to expand, I need to write it out. And then I'm going to have to FOIL this. So if you don't do this, it's going to mess you up because you'll be missing that middle term. So we've got 2x plus 20 equals x squared plus 12x plus 36. Okay, a lot of times people get here and get stuck. You've got a quadratic equation. You should know what to do with it. You can set it to 0, try to get it to factor, or use the quadratic formula. So I want to subtract 2x on both sides so I can get it set to 0. I'm going to subtract 20 on both sides. The left side I've got 0. Right side I've got x squared plus 10x plus 16. Okay, so then I'm wondering, can I get this to factor? Well, factors of 16, I could do 2 times 8. Alright, so that's going to give me 0 equals x squared plus 2x plus 8x plus 16. So that's going to be x times x plus 2 plus 8 times x plus 2. So 0 equals x plus 2 times x plus 8. So 0 equals x plus 2, or 0 equals x plus 8. X equals negative 2, x equals negative 8. Guess what? This was a radical equation. I have to check my answer. I have to check both my answers. So we're going to check. We're going to put negative 2 into the original equation. That's going to give me the square root 2 times 2 plus 20. And then on the outside, minus 6 equals negative 2. So I have square root of 4 plus 20. Something's not right. What did I do? 2 times 2. Oh, it was negative 2, excuse me. Okay. So 2 times negative 2 is negative 4. Negative 4 plus 20 is 16. And then minus 6 equal negative 2. Square root of 16 is 4. 4 minus 6 is negative 2. That checks, so x equal negative 2 is an answer. Alright, now we're going to check negative 8. So square root 2 times negative 8 plus 20 under the radical, and then minus 6 equals negative 8. That gives me negative 16 plus 20, so that's 4 minus 6 equal negative 8. Square root of 4 is 2. 2 minus 6 is negative 4. This one does not check. So x equal negative 8 is not an answer. It's only negative 2. So that's a good example of why you have to check those types of problems. So number 22, the answer is A.